Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of device problem on the application of DoorDash. You will click on settings and you will enter. Then this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your